Welcome to China, a land where ancient wonders and modern marvels stand side by side in breathtaking harmony. From the majestic Great Wall, winding across rugged mountains to the soaring skyscrapers of Shanghai and Shenzhen, China's beauty lies not only in its natural landscapes, but also in its remarkable architecture. Each city tells a story through its buildings, traditional temples with intricate wooden carvings, imperial palaces that echo with centuries of history, and futuristic towers that touch the clouds, glowing brilliantly at night. China's urban skylines are a testament to the country's vision, blending innovation with cultural heritage. Beyond the cities, ancient villages with stone-paved streets and elegant courtyards reflect timeless craftsmanship, while ambitious infrastructure projects